Compressed air plays an important role in our everyday lives, even if we don't always realize it. Did you know that we are almost always surrounded by compressed air? Think about the toy balloon for a kid, the diving excursion on a coral reef, or riding your bicycle when pumping that flat tire. Compressed air is energy, and this energy is used to move something. But let's think about it on an industrial scale. The air from a bicycle pump would of course not be sufficient in the long run. This is where highly efficient compressors come into play. Without these workhorses, many production processes in our modern economies will simply no longer be possible. One of the companies that makes industrial compressors what they are today is the company RENNER in Gugglingen in Germany. RENNER provides compressed air that sets things in motion. And at RENNER, there is always something moving. Over the last more than 20 years, RENNER has developed from a small Swabian tinker into a successful medium-sized company to where it's now positioned itself as an international producer.
RENNER ist ja was Dynamisches und auch unser Leitmotor heißt immer, bei RENNER ist Bewegung drin. Und so haben wir das natürlich auch in den Gebäuden. Wir haben da rasante Entwicklungen hingelegt und sind jetzt in beide Firmen zusammen und ca. 200 Mitarbeiter. Wir haben einen Standort noch in Bautzen und den hier in Gugglingen, wobei der Gugglinger mit gut 180 Mitarbeitern der wesentlich größere ist.
With meticulous workmanship, compressors are custom-made here and developed, assembled and tested to meet the current needs of industry. Included in the range are traditional oil-lubricated screw compressors, along with oil-free scroll compressors, as well as compressors with water injection and all kinds of piston compressors. RENNER, a name associated with quality, made in Germany. The right answer for every conceivable application scenario can be found at RENNER. Through frequency control and electronic control systems, RENNER provides its customers with the capability to use even the last ounce of energy to the maximum. A key part of RENNER's corporate philosophy is its closeness to its customers and its loyalty to its trading partners in Germany and around the world.
Ja, die Verbindung besteht schon seit fast 20 Jahren. Mein Schwiegervater hat schon hier die Kompressoren abgeholt. Aber seit 1995 holen wir jetzt Kompressoren ab. Damals in Frauenzimmern. Heute hier, von der kleinen Garagefirma, ist jetzt ein Riesending geworden. Und das Unbürokratische ist halt einfach das, was super ist.
Customer-oriented development includes test equipment and prototypes that are set up on site at the user and regularly inspected and serviced. Distributors receive special training on the operation of the latest compressors, and together with these distributors, a maintenance service is available for advice and assistance 365 days a year. So that RENNER compressed air always keeps something moving. To ensure fast and accurate daily service delivery to all customers, RENNER has developed a sophisticated customer management system that it continues to streamline. All salespersons have various administrators allocated to them, and this guarantees smooth order processing and the subsequent production. From a company with its identity firmly rooted in the region, it has over the years grown into a global partner for all areas of compressed air production. And added to this, RENNER can rely on a historically developed distributor network that spans all continents and reaches more than 80 countries.
Also faszinierend finde ich eigentlich, dass es jeden Tag aufs Neue was anderes ist. Es ist nie das Gleiche. Langeweile oder Monotonie hier nicht. Es ist super interessant. Man hat immer die Möglichkeit, durch Projekte oder einfach auch die täglichen Aufgaben so viel dazu zu lernen und so viel Abwechslung in den Tag reinzubringen. Das ist eigentlich das, was mich so am meisten fasziniert an meiner Arbeit. Ja.
In the customer service department, the questions from customers are answered in German, French, English, Spanish, Italian, Russian, Polish, and even in a number of African languages. The fact is, about 50% of the sales market is abroad. Not only are the units assembled locally, but almost all parts and components also come from German and European production facilities and undergo rigorous testing before they are considered for installation in RENNER compressors. All products comply with the CE standard, and the entire company is ISO certified. In addition, the RENNER compressors meet all the standards and certifications required in the countries supplied abroad. RENNER compressors are rugged and durable machines that are highly energy efficient to maximize the protection of energy reserves. Each machine is individually tested before delivery and subjected to an extensive test run. This is the company philosophy with which RENNER has established itself in the market for more than 20 years. True to the motto, solidarity with and loyalty to RENNER, the number of satisfied partners both at home and abroad is growing. Even if they sometimes go unnoticed, compressors are everywhere. They have long since become indispensable aids in leisure, in daily production activities, in environmental protection, and in healthcare. The RENNER team and its partners around the world make compressors what they should be: reliable, robust, and energy-efficient RENNER compressors. Compressed air that sets things in motion. Made in Germany.